Hello. Today I'm going to talk with you about the Mazda CX-5. It is a compact crossover car produced by Mazda starting in 2012. But this car here is not the first generation. It is Mark II. The Mazda starting producing that car from 2012, and 2013 the model year is lineup. It is a Mazda's first car featuring its KODO design language, as first shown on the Shinari concept car in May 2011. It shares its platform with the Mazda 3 and Mazda 6. It is also the first vehicle featuring the companion's full set of Skyactiv Technologies, using a rigid, lightweight platform combined with a series of engines and transmissions to reduce emissions and fuel consumption. The Skyactiv engines and transmissions were first sold in the 2012. But here is the new generation of Mazda CX-5. This is the modern way of this SUV. It is a really nice SUV. I like it to drive. This is the second generation KF. Production is from 2017 up to the present. The assembly is in Japan, Hiroshima, Malaysia, Kulim, China, Nanjing, and Russia, Vladivostok. And this is a nice car. The engine is a 2-liter Skyactiv G, or 2.5-liter Skyactiv G, or 2.2 liters Skyactiv D. So you can choose different types of engines. Transmission is 6-speed Skyactiv drive automatic way. The wheelbase is 2,698 millimeters. This is 106.2 inches. The length is 4,550 millimeters. These are 179.1 inches. The width is 1,842 millimeters. These are 27.5 inches. The height is 1,680 millimeters. These are 66.1 inches. And the weight is about from 1,505 kilograms up to 1,659 kilograms. These are 3,318 pound up to 3,657 pound. The second generation CX-5 was unveiled with an overhauled design and new technologies on November 15, 2016 at the Los Angeles Auto Show. The CX-5 is available with Skyactiv G20 and G2.5 and 2.2 liter in diesel and petrol version. New features included a new soul red crystal paint colors, as well as a new remote controlled powered tailgate. And these I like really much. In the 2019, they add the engine from the CX-9 as an option. The Skyactiv G 2.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder produced 250 horsepower at 5,000 rounds per minute on 93 octane fuel and 227 horsepower on 87 octane fuel. Here you can see how important it is to top up with a nice petrol. Mazda claims the new engine delivered 22 mpg city, 27 highway, and 24 mpg combined with AWD, all-wheel drive, regardless of octane. The optional things in this car, the highlights, I think, are the 360-degree camera system and the space inside. It's so much space, interior area, awesome. All passengers like to sit in that car because there is so much space. In this version, it's a 2-liter engine. The power is not so nice. you have to go to higher rounds per minute to get a good drive forward. Awesome too is the heads-up display in the front of you. It's really awesome to use because there are so many information on the front panel. Awesome. Not so good is, I think it's not so good, is that the computer system needs so many minutes to boot up. So you can start the engine, drive away, and you cannot travel with your computer system. Ugh. Awesome too is the LED light system in the front of side, in the front side. Really awesome, because if your beam will automatically take the level to operate super well, and the look is really nice. The front side is so masculine, so powerful. The rear side is not so awesome, I think. Good is that it is a large vehicle with so much space inside, and in the rear side the trunk has so much space in it. I like it really much to drive. That is the Mazda CX-5. The bad thing is the 360 camera system with so many support systems on board. The heating system on the steering wheel and as well on the seats itself are really nice. That is so comfortable. The navigation system is not so good, I think, because it is a little bit tricky to use, and the boot sequence is so long. And automatic drive. It's the first step in automatic drive. You have to control it, of course, but it works a little bit. It's not so much so nice working as an Mercedes-Benz Actros MP5 or MP6. This is the baby steps in it. You can use it, but you do not can trust it. So every time you have to look and drive by yourself. This was or is the Mazda CX-5. It's a good car. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.